friends, it's Angie of Angie Resells back to give you another review, and this one is for my daughter. She wanted to upgrade her mechanical keyboard, and so we went with this Gamakay TK68 keyboard. Let me tell you, this one is packed with functions. You're gonna love it if you are a gamer. First of all, it is a mechanical keyboard. I like to call it the clicky keyboard because that just makes me old. But I do like this one. First of all, it has hot swappable keys, so if you like to customize, it's great. It does have a lithium-ion battery rather than the cheapo batteries. It has an amazing backlight feature, as you can see here, and if you go into their software, it's completely customizable for whatever style and color that you want. I know from having a daughter gamer that connectivity is the most important thing. Now this one is going to connect either by your USB 2.4, you can do Bluetooth, or you can do a Type-C wire. You can connect any of those ways, and who doesn't love this retro style? I think it's great. So if you're ready to upgrade your keyboard to one with triple connectivity, amazing programmable backlights, and hot swappable keys, I highly recommend this Gamakay TK68. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on my next review.